Hmm. Hi guys, how are you doing? Good evening. Today was a little uh, relief day. Okay, of course, that did not end like that. uh, but there was green on the screen, and of course we that happened. That remained throughout the day. Wait, I'll just enter a password. Sorry, there was some connectivity problems. Then I got live on some other link. So it was thing. I think रात को ही करना चाहिए मुझे live. जब भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. Okay, but we closed above. The Nifty closed above 74,600 mark. That is nice, but uh, sorry, Sensex closed at 74,602 and Nifty closed at 22. 547. So it's like still it is okay. At least 22 500 is protected and 74 600 is protected. But today I'll talk about what has the yesterday I was talking about that I'll study the chart, the Sensex chart, the live chart, and what has happened when the market has gone through such big huge corrections, because this is happening after पहले 20 year था, अब 28 years का record भी the markets can break. So I was just thinking that let me see. Yesterday only I told only that during the live that I'll try and study the what has happened generally. But of course past performance is not what will happen in the future. But anyway, I thought it is always better to study. Okay, so what I have done is I've made some notes and all that which I'll discuss. But in before that, what the handover that we got in the morning was that Nasdaq was down, Dow was up, S&P was down, and the dollar was in the morning. Dollar was 106.7. Rupee actually had a very bad fall today. 87 पे चला गया है आज. Let me see कहाँ पे close हुआ. Okay, so today was a bad day for rupee. Okay, and also what was the handover? Yeah, Bitcoin has come down. Bitcoin is now below 89 thousand dollar. So it's like Bitcoin is also falling after Trump won. It also went up till 1 lakh rupee, $1 lakh के ऊपर चला गया था. But now it is again back. Okay, anyway, Bitcoin is something which I never believed in. Okay, it's like I find it very too risky. It is too risky, Bitcoin. Okay, and apart from that, if we look at the sectoral moves, then now year to date, I'll talk about this history thing. सुबह जो था वो तो था, अभी तो जो है वो है. Okay, so today it was like today was I will say it was a good day before tomorrow's holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday, thank God. But I hope that we get back on Thursday. I hope this momentum continues for some time, at least in the broader market. So today, like if we talk about the sectoral moves, then Nifty Realty is down 24.4%. I was just looking at some of the figures. Then real estate was doing well, actually is doing well. I don't know, many people say the cycle is now coming down, but actually there are still sales happening in the real estate and in the top markets, of course also in the tier 2 cities and tier 3 cities also. But Nifty Realty year to date is down 20.4%, and in 1 year it is 8.8%. Okay, then Nifty Pharma is also down 12.9% year to date, but it is up 7.5%. बिकॉज पहले इतना मार्केट रन अप कर गया था, तो अभी ये करेक्शन हुआ है. बट अपार्ट डिस्पाइट दैट वी आर स्टिल होल्डिंग ऑन टू सम गेन्स. निफ्टी आईटी इज डाउन 8.9%. It is up 4.9%. 9. अच्छा, ये जो दूसरा है ये है 1 ईयर में कितना अप है. ओके, सो निफ्टी रियल्टी इज अप 8.8%. निफ्टी फार्मा इज अप 1 ईयर का, अगर 1 ईयर देखें, चार्ट देखें, 7.5%. निफ्टी फार्मा. निफ्टी आईटी इज अप 4.9% in 1 year, and Nifty PSU Bank is down. Even it's year to date, it is down 8.9%, but in 1 year it is down 16.4%. Okay, this is 16. I make points in a very bad. I have a very bad handwriting. Okay, this month itself, Nifty 50 is down 4%. Nifty mid cap is down 7%, and Nifty small cap is down 8%. Okay, many people believe that Nifty small cap is already in bear market. Okay, bear market में है. Nifty mid cap के बारे में अभी ऐसे नहीं, because last 2-3 days were good for Nifty mid cap. So it is somehow it is saving itself from this bear market and all that. But Nifty 50 is down for 4%. Okay, FIIs have year to date sold 1.30 lakh crores, and DIIs have bought 1.34 lakh crores. Okay, so DII का बाइंग ज्यादा, एक्चुअली DIIs ने मार्केट को संभाल के रखा है. ओके, आई हैव और इसका ज्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन भी है. I wish I could share. I should make some charts because I have all the data to make charts and all that. Okay, fund flows. These are fund flows. Okay, so FIIs have, if now this is from 2020. Okay, which is the COVID period, which includes, because before COVID, I'll go in before COVID. I also did that study, but this is from COVID. FII और DII की बात कर रहे हैं ना हम अभी. तो FII और DII में a second. Okay, so Nifty FIIs ने when COVID struck, then FIIs were buying. They bought in India. Okay, 65,246 crore worth buying किया था FIIs ने 2020 में, and at that moment DIIs sold. Okay, because of this COVID scare and all that, क्या होगा, uncertainty and all that, 35,663 worth का selling किया था DII ने. उसके बाद से DII is continuously buying and FIIs are continuously selling. Okay, in 2021 they sold shares worth, equity worth at 92,279 crores. Then in 2022 they sold 2,78,000 worth equity. Then 2023 they काफी कम हो गया, 16,510. Then 2024 में 3 lakh crores का सेल किया, and 2025 में अब तक they have sold 1.24 lakh crores. Okay, now DIIs on the other hand are now into buying. They are continuously buying. 2021 में they bought after selling in the COVID year. After selling in the COVID year, which was worth 35,000 something, 600 something, they have been continuously buying. I don't know this is right or wrong, but because अभी मुझे भी थोड़ा सा skepticism हो रहा है. Okay, 94,574 crore worth they bought in 21. 2,76,000 lakh crore they bought in 22. Then 1,84,000 lakh crore they bought in 23. 5,26 crore lakh worth they bought in 2024, which is last year. और अभी तक 25 में 1,24,000 lakh crore, अच्छा बोल दिया crore they bought. 1.24 lakh crore they have bought in 2025. This is अभी तक, अभी दो महीने हुए. Okay, इस साल के. So now since 2020, actually this is not अभी ही है, but actually since 2020, after 2020 they have been selling quite a lot, and the DIIs have been buying quite a lot. That's why it was like, despite of the FIIs selling, हम लोग बार वीडियोस में भी बात कर रहे हैं, the DIIs have been buying continuously. They've been buying. Okay, and also most of the brokerages and experts and even foreign experts are now saying that buy into large caps and all that, and some of them are also saying that there's 75 to 80% of the Franklin Templeton their 75 to 80% investment is in large caps now. Actually, if you look at the my live topic, are the FIIs coming back? Well, we don't know, but looking at this pattern, that they have been selling quite a lot in India, but still, बोलने को they say that no, India is a good market. The story is well, the economy is doing well, the government is stable. The steps are being taken to now boost consumption. What else? Also, the demography is in favor. The business environment has improved. All these things they factor in. But if you look at what they are doing, that is kind of a really different. Okay. Also, now what has happened after major downturns? Okay. Now this is something which is very interesting. You will also want to know this. I was telling you in September last year, in September 2016, we were seeing the chart yesterday. So now, after September, in the fall of September to December 2016, जब मार्केट 12% गिरा था, उसके एक महीने बाद 9% अप हुआ market, and then 3 months later it was up 15%. Okay, this is in September to December quarter 2016 ka. Then January to March 2018, again there was this huge downturn of 11%. And 1 month later, the market went up 6%. And then 3 months later, the market went up 8%. Then the next downturn came in, big downturn came in. These downturns are more than 10%. Okay, August to October 2018, the market came down 15%. Then 1 month later, it was up 6%. And 3 months later, it was up 7%. Actually, 1 month, 3 month में ही market वापस उठ गया, but अभी वो नहीं हुआ है. इसीलिए this was a very rare occurrence. It was saying that that after 20 years this has happened, that the market has consecutively fallen for 5 months. June to August 2019, market came down 12%. 1 month later, it was up 7%, and 3 months later, it was up 10%. Okay, then Jan to March 2020, the market came down, COVID, 40%. Then it went up to 17%, and then 3 months later, it was up 32%. Recover कर लिया, उससे ज़्यादा ही कर लिया. 40% गिरा, 17% किया, and then 32% किया. Okay. Then October to December 2021, 12% it came down, then 7% it was up, then 4% it was up 3 months later. Now what has happened in this quarter is that September to November, the market is down 11%, and so far it has 1 month later it has gone up 1%, but we are still watching where will it go. Okay, so generally these big moves, they have brought in गुड रिवर्सल्स, अच्छी कमाई होती. काफी लोग बोल रहे हैं 2 महीने बाद जो अभी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं वो लोग खुश होंगे, बिकॉज अभी एक्चुअली इफ यू लुक एट मोस्टली ऑल द बिग स्टॉक, आई विल टेक सम नेम्स ऑल्सो रिटन. अगर मेरे पास आज पैसा होता मैं आज क्या खरीदती, because they are actually available at mouth watering prices. Valuation तो की बात नहीं की जाए इंडिया में तो अच्छा, but still the valuations have become better to what they were earlier. Okay, so now this is I've given you, जब 10 से 12% 15% गिरा है मार्केट, उसके बाद उतना ही उठा है या उससे ज़्यादा भी उठा है. ये ऐसा पिछले 2016 से पिछले 9 साल की कहानी रही है. Okay, now today I'll talk about today's gainers. Okay, what were the big gainers today and why? So Nestle was up today 2250 के आसपास ही आज बंद हुआ है, because they are now talking about increasing the prices of the products. They're looking at a price hike. Okay, Zomato was up because they've got a good brokerage call. Okay, that's why it was up today. Airtel was up. Initially it was, I think, it corrected a little bit, but it is up. They're putting some money into some of their African subsidiary. Okay, then Maruti was up today. Bajaj Finance is up. Bajaj Finserv is up. Okay, then Texmaco Rail was up, They have a new MOU with Nevomo. It's a foreign company. IRIDA was up today. They are raising 5,000 crore rupees via QIP. If you just pay attention, these are the stocks which are up today. Okay, and there is a reason behind it. So market is buying reason. They're looking at the reasons to buy a particular stock. Okay. And then Adani Port was up today. Titan was up. HDFC Bank was up. ITC was up. Now what was down today, which was interesting, is Trent was down. BOB was down. PNB was down. Fed Bank was down. Mid cap index was down. Okay. So now this is Varun Beverages were down. It was up yesterday. Power Grid was down. Sun Pharma was down. Okay. IDFC First Bank was down. So these, ये कल का चंक था जो ऊपर था. Okay, now I'll talk about some of the stocks which I feel are, now these are not recommendations, but these are the stocks which I find interesting in this new market. Okay, this new market. Okay, so this is Nalco. Oh wait, no. Wait, sorry. Okay, so now, okay, first real estate stocks which were down today. Nifty Realty has done very bad since last some time. Okay, अच्छा मैं पहले अपने वाले स्टॉक ही बता देती हूँ. I think that is better. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Narayana Health was up today. Okay, it's around 4.8% up. Gland Pharma was up. These are no way recommendations. Okay. Vijaya Diagnostics was up. Actually, it is one of the top gainers today. This was up 13%. Metro Brands was up 4%. बीच में काफी अप हुआ था ये, फिर थोड़ा सा करेक्ट होने लगा. सन टीवी आई. Okay, it was up today. I never buy TV stocks. Okay. Then Thangamadai jewelry was up today 20%. Actually, it broke the circuit. Okay. Then Tata Invest was up. They are coming out with Tata Capital का IPO आने वाला है. उसकी वजह से आज ये स्टॉक अप था. कुछ 10 रुपी का फेस वैल्यू है उसके स्टॉक का. आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस टाटा कैपिटल IPO. 1500 crores का राइट्स इशू भी करेंगे वो लोग, and 23 crore new shares they are going to issue. Okay, this is a subsidiary of Tata Sons. Okay, then Zomato was up 1.1%. I've already said that. And M&M was up. Mahindra & Mahindra was up. 361 gram was up. Okay, and then now what were the stocks which were down, which are interesting stocks? Nalco, Vedanta, Hindalco, Jindal Steels, Jindal Stainless, Stainless Steel, and Hindustan Zinc. Okay, and yes, today IT stocks fell. IT stocks fell like anything. LTI Tech Services, LTI Mindtree, Wipro, Emphasis, HCL Tech, they all were down today. Okay, so this is what was the shape of the market today, and I've given you some background of how the markets have fared when they have fallen, and this is backed by data. Okay, I'm not just making it up. I've given you the months and the percentage of moves which they saw and where they went from there. So now this is history. We don't know this will repeat or not, but this has happened in the past. Okay, and of course most of the experts made it may be Goldman Sachs, it may be Citi has given a new target for Nifty of 26,000 till this December, or it may be even Jim Rogers, उनका भी आज इंटरव्यू था, मैं देखा था मैंने. He's also saying that India is a market to be in, and also he's saying he's looking after agriculture base. He was only talking about those only, that agriculture based project stocks के ऊपर invest करना चाहिए. He has no idea about AI or something, but he said that you should buy agriculture and all that. That is what majorly he was talking about. He also agrees that Bitcoin is a bubble. He said he sold off American equities. He was criticizing Trump. He was saying that Trump doesn't know what he's doing. I agree with him, because there's this new report which says that even in the US, yesterday Dow Jones was also Dow was up, Nasdaq was down, and actually people there are scared of uh, yeah people are scared of inflation being coming back, making a comeback in a big way in the US. The data has revealed that the US consumer sentiment is down 15-month low पे है February में. And this is all because of Donald Trump's tariff threats and all that, because people know that if you put tariffs, the other countries will also put tariffs. And this is not a era of deglobalization and that okay मैं अपनी वो देखूं मैं अपनी वो देखूं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. Okay, say congratulations for completing MBBS. Oh, okay, and what else? So long-term inflation target has also ticked up to 3.5% from 3.3% in the US. So earlier already said that people are stacking up on food, medicines, and all that because they are expecting, prices to go up, inflation to happen in the US. That's why even the Bitcoin has come down. I think because of this reason, because of you know all these ये सब अच्छा नहीं है, सब trade wars, and every day he gets up, he announces a tariff or some country or whatever. India and China will face the maximum tariff and all that. I mean, I don't know what to say, but such things will affect US also. I mean, we all are connected in this global world. So this is one of the reasons why US is also expecting a slowdown actually. Now, I don't know what if he's a businessman, that people say he's a businessman first and then a president. I don't know, he's not proving to be a good businessman either, a good president. Okay. Other things is that IT companies are talking about hiring again. They're talking about, I was watching this किसका इंटरव्यू देखा था मैंने, I think L&T Tech का देखा था. Yeah, they are looking forward to hiring 2,000 more freshers this year, and they have $200 million plus deals, and they are also looking at $50 to $100 million deals in the pipeline. The stock was at 4748. It was down today. Achha, the mouth-watering stocks which I would have bought in this market, and these are not suggestions, is should I say or not, because SEBI has become very strict and all that. So this is for my own choices I'm talking about, but I'm not suggesting in any way. Okay, that please buy these stocks. You may already have these stocks. So one is Varun Beverages, the other one is Trent. Okay, and Trent हो गया, Varun Beverage हो गया, L&T हो गया. I would have bought more. Zomato, definitely. UPL, Persistent Systems, and what else? यहाँ पे कहीं लिखा है कुछ. Nestle वेस्ले नहीं, Nestle है मेरे पास. Irida, okay, and Tex Mackerel. This stock has been doing really well. The company has been doing well. इसका quarter भी अच्छा था, Tex Mackerel का. So I also like this stock. And Maruti Suzuki, वो थोड़ा सा 8,000 के पास आ जाए तो अच्छा है. Then I'm probably thinking about buying Maruti Suzuki. It is currently again above 12K. Okay, so this is where I'll end this particular live, and I'll see you. Congratulations to Shrikant Pujari for completing MBBS. Why? What is the reason? So many times this person has written. What is the reason? Let me know what is the reason. Okay, so I'll end this live here, and also I'll tomorrow is a chutti, so I'll try to study more about this, how the market moves and all that. But I think I have done enough. ये study काफी अच्छा था. But I was very happy looking at one fact that whenever the market has gone down 11, 12, 15%, it has come back in a big better way actually in the 1 month, consecutive 1 month, or at least 3 months later. तो अभी अपना मार्केट कब गिरा था, सितंबर टू नवंबर में शुरू हुआ 11% गिरना. So 1 month later it went up 1%. So now January, February, March is here. So let's see what March holds. Okay, because 3 months later की कहानी में markets have actually done better than what they have done. No, actually they have done 1 month later better भी किया है. In 22, in 2020, हाँ 2 ही साल. उसके बाद 3 months later 15%, 10%, 32%. ये तो COVID was different story. 15%, 11%, 10%, 8%. Okay, so let's see. I hope the March brings in new bounce in the market. March आने ही वाला है, कल छुट्टी है. So I'll see you day after tomorrow. Let me know that do you prefer this time live or you prefer 10 p.m. वाला live, because 10 p.m. वाला live I can do because I have done my job and everything. So that is also in a way better. But of course I sleep late and all that, and I don't like to do that. So anyway, let me know, and we'll talk about, let this phase get over, this phase of corrections and all that. Then we can do some other kind of lives also, where we can talk about some stocks or something. And yes, I'm forgetting today's. I think I've already said, but top gainers today, also in the small cap, I also give that. In the overall market, Vijaya Diagnostics, Tata Invest, I have already spoken, Adani Power, Zensar Tech, and in the small cap market, we have Srinath Investments. This was up 50%, 82 rupees का stock है after this rally. Technojet Consultants, this is now worth 79 rupees. This is the LTP. Last trading price. Heads Up Ventures, this was up 20%. Tangamalai Jewelry, I've already said, 20%. Shyam Kamal Investments, 19%. I will not talk about more because otherwise it will start looking as these are not recommendations. This is just for the information purposes. Which are just look at this. What does this Srinath Investments do? And वैसे नाम से ही पता चल रहा है. Let's look at the स्पेलिंग क्या था इसका. Srinath. Yeah. Oh, it's a 2 crore market cap company, and it's a very, very small company. So this stock was up today. It is in the business of investments and commodity trading. It's a very small company. Okay, this was up today. This company was doing good. Okay, so I'll finish this live here. And what else? Any other questions? No. Okay. Okay, congratulations to Shrikant Pujari for completing MBBS. Okay, congratulations, because MBBS is tough. Okay, so I'll see you day after tomorrow, and we'll talk about more stocks. And of course, I hope the market is green and then this rally is back, because इस बार रैली के लिए काफी वेट करना पड़ रहा है. अदरवाइज 1 month 3 months में रैली हमने देखी है, and that is why so many. And yes, I was reading somewhere that yes, someone was telling me, I should say this, people are not paying their SIPs now. They've demotivated. Don't do that. Don't do that. Keep your SIPs up. You will be happy when you see your money compounding later on. Don't stop your SIPs. I'm not stopping my SIPs. If you don't buy, at least if you can make use of the decent valuations and valuation correction abhi, by buying stocks, then at least you can do your SIPs. Do that, because this is how you can participate in the market, and you don't have to worry about the risk and all that. Please keep paying your SIPs. Okay, so have a great day, and take care. And tomorrow is a chutti, so enjoy. Bye bye.